The repair shop experts Amanda Middleditch and Julie Tatchell have opened up about why they stand on the same side of each other when shooting for the BBC series. In a recent Instagram Q&A, the Teddy Bear ladies admitted standing on the same side has become a bit of a habit. Julie began, "It was so lovely to see all your responses to our little soft disclosure about being on the same side of each other each time. But you've also asked why, and here's why." Amanda continued, "Because when we first started working on the repair shop, certain camera angles were easier because I'm slightly shorter than Julie. The repair shop taken off air in BBC schedule shake-up, latest, and J. Blades, is like here," Julie demonstrated. "So he'd be on this side." Amanda added, "So we were like musical notes like that, is that right? Anyway, so it became a habit and it's easy now because everybody remembers our names because that was another thing. It was always the Bear ladies, never Julie and Amanda, so that's why." Don't miss. The repair shop star tells fans done and dusted as he wraps up series. Insight, the repair shop expert tells fans be back soon as he takes break. News, the repair shop expert issues show warning as he pays tribute to co-star. Latest, taking to the comment section on Instagram, June Scripps replied, "I always look forward to your projects and think you are both awesome." User Gizla agreed, "Yes, I struggled with your names all those years ago when I first found the show. Now we know, love you two ladies, great show 220. Sick, wealthy poppin' catted, aha. I was guessing it had to do with being right and left-handed. You two ladies are such a treasure and a true joy to watch. Your friendship and respect for each other is admirable. And Amanda, I just love how you crack yourself up at times. No one else makes me laugh like you do," Sue praised. Sick, Amanda and Julie have been staples on the repair shop since 2017. However, the duo have known each other for a long time since setting up their business Spirit in Mind in 2006. The repair shop is available to watch on BBC iPlayer.